Hello, I'm Simon. Welcome back to the workshop. Ever since I bought my mini lathe, it's been too cold to actually use it. The lathe doesn't have a minimum operating temperature, but the operator certainly does. So I did what any self-respecting maker would do. I went back into the house, fired up my laptop and designed some accessories for my mini lathe using Onshape, a free-to-use browser-based 3D CAD software package. I've only ventured into the decidedly chilly workshop to print the accessories on my 3D printer. I have to admit I got a bit carried away and made quite a few accessories. I have a chuck key holder, a spanners holder, a holder for my Sharpie, Scribe, the Jacob's chuck key holder, an Allen key holder, my digital Callipers holder, an MT1 tool holder, an oiler holder, and another MT1 holder which contains my Jacob's chuck. I also have an MT2 tool holder, but I haven't printed that out yet. Now, I'm sure all the machinists out there have their heads in their hands. Why am I 3D printing them when I could spend hundreds of hours honing them from stainless steel? If you are that machinist, then I respectfully suggest you have answered that question already, my friend. Of course, all the woodworkers will suggest a nice piece of oak screwed to the back of the splash guard with a few holes drilled would have worked just as well. And to you, I put my hands up, and you are, of course, wiser and entirely correct. Except for one thing. Where's the fun in that? The Lathe Buddy system relies on a simple design to clip the parts onto the splash guard, and this seems to work really well. But I've also included space to glue a 10mm diameter, 2mm thick magnet should you want a bit more security. However, with perhaps the exception of the holder for the digital calipers, you probably won't need these magnets. Most of the holders are simply various sized holes for different tools, but I'm particularly proud of the spanners holder and the holder for the Allen keys, in which I incorporated the original rubber holder. Well, that's about it for this week. If you know someone with a mini lathe and you've enjoyed this video, why not share it with them using the share button? Pop me a thumbs up to show you care. And as usual, any questions or comments, don't be shy, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you next week.